Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
If you want to be happy, you have to grow, get all the types of animals, plants, everything. Happiness comes only when you see all the animals and plants, when it grows nicely. And if you go organically, it grows like anything.
इंटिग्रेटेड फार्म तयार करप म्हळ्यार फकाणां न्हय. एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट जोकीम रॉड्रिक्सान लाबानाची तोखणाय केली.
ते तरणाट्यान फायद घेवपा जाय तेगे पुताक वयता एटलीस्ट आनी एक 10 उरता म्हणून जातली कितें कोत्ताय तें सगळें हें आनी सक्सेस जातली तशें हेजी युथांनी फायद घेवचो आतां स्टडी टूर म्हूण आतां कॉलेजी भुरगे सगळे हाडटाय ते फायद काडपा जाय आनी हें करूं फकाण न्ही तें आमी म्हणटाय एक बरें पासन जाय हार्डवर्क जाय तें चोयलां हें पुरो करते बी तर हें आहा तेका.
जाणी हे फार्म पळोवंक ना तांणी ते मुद्दाम पळोवपाक येवचें आनी देख घेवची म्हूण गोवा कॅनाचो कन्व्हेनर रोलन मार्टिन सांगता.
Anybody who has not visited Laban's farm should do so because it's a huge inspiration for people who have worked in the industry but decided to spend their money in farming, building up a multi-crop farm, building up a little infrastructure here to hold a kind of a small event or, now he is busy, getting schools to come here and talking to young children. Huge experience. And I think people all over Goa have got properties, small farms, small family farms. I think this is an excellent example to follow. Visit Laban's farm and see what he has done, what is possible.
पालकांनी भुरग्यां खातीर पयशे दवरपा परस एक जमनीचो तुकडो दवरचो जाचेर भुरगीं अशे तरेचे फार्म करपाक शकतात, लाबान सांगता.
Most of the children come here. I want to tell your parents to keep you piece of land where you can grow. Don't keep money or nothing, no anything, only field so that you can grow yourself and be happy because the day will come, our new generation will not get anything seen because all construction, everything is seen.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.